So here's a very quick practice to keep your aura and your energy field strong, bulletproof, let's say, from porous influence, and also full of vitality. You first of all want to open your legs, place them on the ground. If you can be barefoot, even better. I would like for you to open your chest and upper body so you feel receptive. You can put your palms up. Ground yourself first by connecting to the core of the earth. You can imagine a cord coming from the pelvis or the abdomen all the way down, and you can close your eyes for this. Imagine the cord going down, wrapping around the earth, and you can even say connect. And now perhaps you already feel a sensation on your palms, if your palms are up. If not, you can imagine energy around your body. In your mind's eye, this energy field can extend up to 3 feet around your body. You can picture it like an egg-shaped. And with your breathing, we're going to begin to infuse that field with more and more energy. We're going to energize it. So begin to breathe in, and you can picture energy coming in through the crown if you want to, through the top of the head. Or if it's easier for you, you can draw it from the ground. So we're going to use air energy, air prana, and we're going to use prana from the ground as you imagine it coming in through your feet. And as it comes through and in, it expands, filling in more and more of that space between you and the egg, the shape of the magnetic field around you, your aura, your auric field. It doesn't matter if you don't feel anything, just continue breathing. Now we're going to give it a color for you, perhaps golden or platinum, or it could be light blue or light pink on the edge. And you keep breathing simply and energizing your field until you can think of it as thick. You can even perhaps feel it or sense light or sensation, warmth, tingling all around your body. And now for extra protection, we're going to place a rose, an imaginary rose, in front of you, behind you, one to your right, one to your left, and one at the top of your head. And we're going to imagine those roses vibrant, fresh. You can imagine the scent of the rose perhaps. See how that feels. I recommend you do this practice daily, especially at the beginning of the day, before you're going out into the world, and at the end of the day, before bed, or while you're in bed before sleep. It will keep you alive and energized, cleansed. It will help you stay cleansed and healthy. You will feel more vibrant, lighter. Let me know in the comments how you like this practice, and if you have any other that has been good for you in keeping your auric and energetic field cleansed and protected. Thank you so much for your attention. Can't wait to see you again soon. And by the way, if you like this video, you probably would like this one too.